Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy Kid from Bamboo 88 back again with another video. Today, ladies and gentlemen, we are gonna be doing another video, such as, well, if I should say, it's another video. I uploaded about 2 videos today. This is a video for Roblox because we're doing the anthro, so let's start. Now, what I will say is anthro, what Roblox used to be is Roblox wasn't this, okay? Usually Roblox was all blocky. It started off blocky, and now, like, the thing that is going around is this little anthro thing is gonna be taking over Roblox. It was supposed to take over Roblox in 2018, which is the day, which is now, which really brings conclusion to the subject. Who started off the anthro? Well, it was basically created by a person whose name shall not be mentioned, but it was not anyone I knew of, but I did look a little bit into it, and there's not really any blockiness to him, guys. There's really not any blockiness to him. He's just like, look, that's the weirdest little thing you have. He's not blocky anymore. And what's really bad about it is, the stuff that, the meme and the morph was actually created in 2017. It was supposed to be Roblox 2018, which, in all honest opinion, I think is pretty dumb, because why would you want to, have this as your avatar? You know, well, if you get an item from the catalog, how will you, wear it? What will it look like? I mean, come on. It looks like a Barbie doll, okay? Literally, a Barbie doll. If this does actually go and become reality as an actual thing, become thing in Roblox, if it does, become a thing in Roblox soon, or eventually, I'm just literally, I'll still play Roblox, but I'm gonna have to get used to it again, and I don't want that to, happen. Normally, I wouldn't say that, but I don't want it to, happen again, because if I'm, making it, starting all over again, I feel like just the time and, it took me a while to get used to Roblox and get used to playing it, and, what really happened is it got so, I don't know, I got used to it, and now everything looks like it's changing, but it's really not. People are leaving the server because they don't like anthro. In my personal opinion, I kinda like it, but at the same time, I mostly despise it because it ruins the whole title, the whole good memorial title of Roblox. I mean, come on. Roblox is, if you get down to it, Roblox actually stands for robot. For the RO is robot, and then blocks because everything's blocky. So that's why they came up with Roblox. And now if they add in anthro, it'll be like blocks or something, because that would just ruin it, and then you would have to make stuff that's reality from Roblox into stuff that you would see in real life. This is a real person, okay? Almost like a Barbie doll real person, okay? That's not the thing we want to deal with here in the Roblox community. I am part of the Roblox community, okay? I'm not gonna deal with a picture that's literally gonna say hey, this is, this, and then deal with anthro for the rest of a flippin', the rest of Roblox shall live. It's not it's not just right. It's just not right. Because you would think, oh, well, maybe this person, maybe this person has experience with this. No. There's no way in hell that anyone in the Roblox community, okay, in the Roblox community that I know of, no one would ever go near this flippin' thing. Alright, nobody would ever go to it. Like, nobody would ever go to it because, personally, in my opinion, I think it's stupid. I think it's pretty ridiculous. It's pretty ridiculous what happens when Roblox community, the community of Roblox is taking it to another level. Okay, they're taking it to a level that most Roblox players would be like, that's just ruining Roblox. That just ruins Roblox as you know it. It just ruins it. Oh. Well. You can easily walk through those. There was, just to let you know, there was no hacking involved in that. Those bricks were just hollow, so you could walk through them. They were just hollow. I think it's kind of the same with this, only this stage, like, you kind of just kicked me over, dude. Really? Like, basically, in the stage, you kind of have to go through, oh, God. Dang it! Oh my goodness. So, it's actually really impossible because yes, it is impossible. Indeed it is. Indeed. It is impossible to complete this level because nobody knows how to complete it. You're supposed to, like, be able to go on that, but you can't because of the hair. I'm gonna say something in this, so I'm just gonna tell this dude, by the way, I am Rec. Cool. He's like, cool. And see, where it hits is you can't jump over it. Because if you try and jump over it, you die. Wait. I got an idea, dude. I got an idea. Stand there. Oh, shit. Hold on. Jump on my head. Yeah. That's the main game plan. Oh, my goodness. Yay. We're out of that one. So, he said jump on my head. I don't know how he's gonna get past that now. He's probably gonna use like exploiting or something. I don't know how he's gonna get past it. Rip him. Rip that dude for not having any like way to possibly even get out. He's probably gonna have to wait for another person because I'm on like stage something, so that dude really did help me out, which was really cool. So he left. He helped me out. That was really nice of him. So shout out to him for helping me get past that. That was kind of really impossible. That was kind of impossible because you kind of have to jump on a person's head. But anyways, back to the topic of anthro. Anthro was just a meme that was created to, in my opinion, scare Roblox players in the community as Roblox is. It was a meme to scare the Roblox community and Roblox players into all thinking that anthro was going to be the new Roblox avatars, which would mean when R15 came out, that was like the big hype. Like, everybody could use animation packs and they could be in R15. With anthro, I feel like anthro with the animations packs, it just wouldn't look quite right. Now, the ninja animation pack, I wouldn't mind saying, yeah, that one would probably do good. Because that one's just like something to do, that one's just something. So, it would look nice with the ninja, and the astronaut and probably the stylish. But like the superhero, the zombie, all that, well, the zombie would look good, but other ones like the superhero, that would definitely not look good. Robot would probably look good. And then the other ones would definitely not look good because you're like, oh, well, think to myself, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? How do I get up to this ladder and climb it right now? Because I can't climb it. There's no ladder? Are you serious? Okay, so you can't really get to that end spot, but what I'm going to say is this is the end of the video, guys. So if you do enjoy and you want to know how I do stuff, because playing as anthro, okay, anthro is bad. So I also have a YouTube channel if you guys want to go subscribe. I do have a YouTube. I will show it right here. My channel. Kid friendly Bamboo 88 Lol Friend Hangout. I don't know if the other one uploaded, but I'm going to be uploading this one